In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open incognito mode in Google Chrome using a shortcut key. This is one of the fastest ways to browse privately, especially if you want to open a new session without saving your history, cookies, or site data on your device. If you use Chrome often, this shortcut can save you time every single day. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. If you're on Windows or Linux, the shortcut is very simple. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. As soon as you do that, Google Chrome will open a brand new incognito window. You'll know it worked because the incognito icon and dark themed window will appear, along with a message explaining that your browsing activity won't be saved locally. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is almost the same. Just press Command, Shift, and N together, and Chrome will open an incognito window right away. Again, you'll see the incognito start page, which confirms that private browsing is now active. This is the quickest method because you don't need to open the menu, click through settings, or search for the incognito option manually. It's especially useful when you want to quickly sign in to another account, test a website, or browse without affecting your regular Chrome session. Just remember, incognito mode does not make you invisible online. It only prevents Chrome from saving your browsing history, cookies, and form data on that device after you close the window. Your internet provider, school, workplace, or the websites you visit may still be able to see your activity. So it's great for privacy on your device, but it is not a complete anonymity tool. If the shortcut ever doesn't seem to work, make sure Chrome is the active window and that you're pressing the keys together, not one at a time. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to hold down the modifier keys first and then tap N. Once you get used to it, this shortcut becomes second nature. Windows and Linux users can remember Ctrl, Shift, N, while Mac users can remember Command, Shift, N. That's really all there is to it. In just a second, you can open incognito mode in Google Chrome without touching the mouse. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Chrome tips, shortcut guides, and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.